Hello everyone, my name is Senya Princess Joy. I am from CEIT 03303P, and here's my code for this activity. First, at, this is our main class, which is public class swing calculator extends Jane frame implements action listener. Pag sinabi nating implement, meaning it isn't for the hand for and handles bottom clicks, and it extends JFrame naman, it is the main application window. Tapos, this method configures the window properties, which is set title, default, operation, and all, etc., which is here. Then, display panel, which is yung north panel. Ito siya. Use a grid bag layout to organize a tree read-only display field neatly. Number 1 field, number 2 field, and result field. Then, the bottom panel, which is in center, Nasaan eh? Bottom. Ito. Ito siya. Yan yung bottom panel. Um, ginamit natin yung 5455 to arrange the calculation buttons in a standard grid format. Sa ito yung mga private variables are crucial na ginamit, which is crucial for tracking the current status and the values during the calculation, which is here. Ito siya. Yan. Which is private double number 1. Ito. Ito pala private double number 1. And 1. Hindi. Private double number 1 stores the first operands or the result of previous calculation initialized to 0. Private double current input stores the number value of the text currently displayed in the active input field. Private string pendings operation store the operation like plus, minus, times waiting to be executed. Private boolean is typing second number, a flag that is true when the user has entered number 1. Click on operator and currently entering the second operand number 2. Private boolean clear for new input, a flag that when a true tells the program to clear the current display before accepting the next digit. Eto na, dito na po tayo sa yung input number and decimal. Ito command is a digit 0 to 9 or that's a decimal point. The code updates the text or the target display field number 1 field or number 2 field based on the is typing second number flag. The logic handles clearly the default 0 and ensuring only one decimal point is entered. Then, dito naman, para maklear yung C, calls clear all to reset all the state variables and display field starting a new calculation. Tapos yun sa DAL naman, ito. Diba ito yung C to clear. Wait lang po. Oo. Ayan. Ito yung C to clear. Tapos ito naman, demand naman to para ma-delete. Remove the last character from the active display field. So, yan. Hanggang dito po pala. Tapos, next po is the operators, which is yung mga ginamit nating operators, which is yung plus, minus, times, and divide. Nasaan na yun? Sa dulo na siya. Ito yan. Ito. Ayan siya. So, the code finally attempts the parse current display text into a number, which is current input. Dito siya. Current input daw. Yan. If pending's operator is empty, this is the first operation. The current input is stored as number 1. If operation is pending, the current result is calculated using number 1, current input, and the pending's operator, and the result becomes the new number 1. Finally, the new operator stores in pending operators is typing second number is set to true. Tapos yung equal, ito siya. If an operator is pending and the user is typing the second number, the final calculation is performed. Double result calculate number 1 current input pending operator. The result is displayed in result field and stored back into number 1 to allow the user to continue calculation from the result. The operation state in reset pending operator become empty is typing second number becomes false. Performs the basic arithmetic using a switch statement. Includes an essential check for division by 0 and the display an error message if detect. Format result. Ensure the output looks clean. If the result is an integer, it displays as 15 rather than a decimal with unnecessary zeros. Sabi dito, yun nga. Kapag, kapag yung sagot is, kunyari, 15.0, magdi-display na doon as integers or as a whole number rather than na may decimal or with unnecessary zero. So, dadako na tayo sa mismong result or yung mismong output ng code na to, which is ito po siya. So, itatry po natin lahat, like, your 8 times 9 is equal to 72. So, for second arithmetic, gagamit lang. Next is 8 divided by 9 is equal to 0.88889. So, i-clear natin ulit. 8 minus 9 is equal to negative 1. Then, clear natin. 8, kunyari, nagkamali tayo, 6. Hindi. Tapos, pwede natin siyang i-delete. Tapos, plus 9 is equal to 17. And that's all. Thank you for listening.